Hello there! This recipe is full of protein and it is brilliant for food prep. Do you like tofu? Then this is for you. We are cooking tofu and chicken burgers, so let's start. I chop the onions and fry them until brown, with only a little bit of oil. This will help the burgers not to break and also give a nice smoky flavor. With the tofu, I use firm tofu, but I let it drain for about 2 hours to make sure it does not have any water. In a big bowl, I crumble the tofu. I then add 500 grams of 5% fat minced chicken. Excuse the black gloves, I can handle any meat with my bare hands but chicken. We will add the fried onions next. Ginger. Salt and pepper to taste. Garlic granules or garlic salt. 1 egg. Half a cup of breadcrumbs and about a third of cup of spring onions. You can add more if you wish, as they add a lot of flavor. I will then form the patties and shape them. I make them quite thick so they don't end dry after frying. This amount of chicken and tofu will make around 7 to 8 thick burgers, but you can easily make more, around 10 if you prefer them smaller. In this occasion, I had around 7 big ones and 1 little one. Today I fried the 3 big ones and the little one, but this recipe is brilliant for food prep, so you can store them in the fridge and cook them as when needed. I first fry them in one side, but when I turn them over, I cover with a lid so they cook thoroughly. Midway cooking, I will add about 2 tablespoons of water to help them cook without burning and keep them moist. I then add another 2 tablespoons of water, and once that water is gone, then they are ready. I always feel nervous about undercooking chicken, but this way I feel reassured. This time I serve them with some nice cooked vegetables and my favorite tomato sauce on top, but hoisin sauce goes really well too. I hope you enjoy them. See you next time. Thank you.